Imagine a morning where the scent of simmering cinnamon and fresh berries fill the air. Each bite not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also fuels your body for the challenges of the day. That's the power of a nutritious, carefully crafted breakfast. Far too often, breakfast is grabbed on the go. A possibly nutritious bar, a possibly balanced smoothie. But what if you could start each day with a meal that was as satisfying to your palate as it was beneficial to your health? The phrase breakfast is the most important meal of the day is more than just a cliche. It's backed by science. A balanced breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, balances blood sugar levels, and reduces the urge to snack impulsively throughout the day. Having an assortment of complex carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats is essential to cover all the nutritional bases and sustain energy throughout the morning. While understanding the components of a balanced breakfast is key, execution does not have to be complicated. The recipes featured here have been designed with both nutrition and convenience in mind, ensuring that even on your busiest mornings, a wholesome meal is within easy reach. Move over plain oatmeal. Let's introduce a version that's brimming with flavor and vitality. By incorporating chia seeds, fresh berries, and a touch of honey, you transform an ordinary bowl into a powerhouse of nutrients. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Berries are packed with antioxidants, and honey provides a natural sweetness without the sugar crash. Begin by boiling your choice of milk or water, add the oats, and let them simmer. Once cooked to your preference, top with a hearty spoonful of chia seeds, a handful of fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey. This bowl not only satisfies the palate, but also packs a punch of energy that lasts. Smoothies are a glorious canvas for nutritional creativity. A blend of Greek yogurt, mixed berries, spinach, and a tablespoon of flaxseed offers a balanced mix of protein, carbs, and fats made in under 5 minutes. Greek yogurt provides a protein-rich base. Berries inject a dose of antioxidants. Spinach offers fiber and vitamins, and flaxseed rounds it out with omega-3s. To whip up this quick breakfast, simply toss all ingredients into a blender, add a splash of almond milk for a smoother consistency, and blend until creamy. Serve cold. This portable breakfast can be your on-the-go companion, ensuring you don't miss out on morning nourishment. Breakfast toast gets a twist by using sweet potato slices as the base, topped with creamy mashed avocado and crunchy radishes. This dish is not only Instagram-worthy, but is also rich in vitamins, good fats, and fiber. Sweet potatoes serve as a sophisticated, gluten-free swap for bread and offer a dose of vitamin A, while avocado provides heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Simply slice the sweet potatoes lengthwise, about a 1/4 inch thick, and toast them until they are just tender and crisp. Smash a ripe avocado with a little lime juice, salt, and pepper, then spread it over the sweet potatoes. Top with radish slices or any other topping of your choice for extra crunch and flavor. A parfait might sound fancy, but it's quite simple to put together and wonderfully effective in delivering a balanced breakfast. Layer Greek yogurt with granola, fresh fruits, and a dash of cinnamon for a delightfully textured meal. Yogurt provides high-quality protein, which helps in muscle recovery and satiety, while granola gives a satisfying crunch. And fruits add natural sweetness and vitamins. In a glass or jar, begin with a layer of yogurt, followed by a layer of granola. Then a layer of fruits. Repeat until the container is filled. Sprinkle a light dusting of cinnamon on top for a flavor boost. This parfait can be prepped the night before, saving precious time during morning rushes. Finally, for those who prefer a savory start to the day, these egg muffins are a perfect match. Whisk together eggs, chopped spinach, mushrooms, and a bit of cheese. Pour into muffin tins and bake. These muffins are high in protein and filled with the goodness of vegetables, making it an excellent way to get a portion of your daily veggie intake early in the day. These are easily customizable, portable, and can be made in batches, ideal for meal preparation. Enjoy them, warm out of the oven or store in the refrigerator for an easy, quick breakfast on the go. Each of these breakfast ideas not only offers nutritional benefits, but also caters to the modern demand for quick and easy meal solutions. They ensure that no matter how hectic your morning, you can still start the day right with a meal that's as nutritious as it is delicious. As we wrap up our journey through delicious and healthy breakfasts, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more scrumptious ideas. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts or your favorite breakfast recipe. We love hearing from you.